That big ass headlight right there. I'm taking that out. I already took the bumper off. That was too big of a video. That video is right there. You gotta watch that to get to this. Because this one, I'm taking both lights out. This one and this big strip right here. We're gonna try to figure that out. Because I see right here, the bolt right there. Alright, that looks like it's for this one. I already took out this one. Right, so it's wiggling. Alright, I think there's another one right here. So we're going with a 10 mil, or actually, you know what? No, right there. Here we go. So I'm gonna pop this guy out. There's your horn. So maybe I'll put that in there too. How to replace your horn? But let's get this guy out. Let's get these guys, all three of these guys out, because I want to replace all these lights in this car. So let's do it. One light. Passenger side. Check this puppy out. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 10 mils. These are the bolts, because these are studs. 1, 2, and 3 studs. This one goes in the side, and it is one of these, this guy. That goes in the side. That's all your 4. Unplug this guy. Now, is there actually something you can replace? Probably not. Nope. It's a ballast. Now, let's see if there's something over here that you can replace. Probably not. This looks like it goes counterclockwise. Let's try it. I bet you it's for incandescent. This is not. This is LED. Oh, this goes in. Oh no. No, we're not gonna lose that. No. This is not for us. There you go. Just unplug it to get the light out. Now, let's get this puppy out. Let's see what we gotta do. We're gonna remove this one as well, just to make sure it's all out of the way. And we're gonna do all the lights removed out of this brand new Sonata. So I stand corrected. These two, I think, are the ones on the side. I took that 10 mil off the other side. You see? Enough for the horn. We put it back. Horn is put back as if we never touched it. So, we got both sides out. Drivers and passengers. Now it's that headlight. Let's go see what we got to do. I bet you, well, there was a 12 here. There's a 10, a 10, a 10, and a 10 after the bumper. Remember the bumper I took off. Now, another 12 over here. That was this puppy where my finger is. I see more. I see another 10 I took out, right? And I see, what else do I see? A 10 here. Let's see if that works. And another 10 right there. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that releases a whole headlight assembly. And this is all one big piece. Look at this thing. Let's play. I got that puppy out. Like I said, 10. There's 2 sockets that locks into place. I'm going to show you when I take it out. There's no way I can do this by myself on camera. So we got 10, 10, like I said, 10, 10. Another 10 over here. All right, right there. Now, you can do it. It does have sockets like usually Hyundai do and Kia do. There's a socket right there. And there's a socket right over here. So, gently, Wesley, gently, this big ass headlight is gonna come out. So let me get this puppy out and I'll show you what I'm talking about so I can put it back and show you that and didn't even touch it. You ready for this? Let's go. See that big ass headlight? I just took that puppy out. So here's what I mean. No, it's not gonna scratch. Didn't move a hair though. So there is a socket that is typical of Hyundai right there. This guy. All right. Obviously, you got to unplug these guys. This would be easier. Unplug them before you pull it out. All right. Unplug them before you pull it out. Unplug both of them before you pull it out. You see this little socket right here. All right. You following? You see? You got these guys. You see? So probably only the 12 mil. I gotta see which one only really needs. Look at this puppy. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I love doing what I do. So let's put this guy back and make sure this is the actual way to put it in. I'm sorry, take it out with that socket piece. Oh, here, I think it's here you go. Here's that rod piece. This matches up with this. All right, so you still got to pull it out of the socket. So even if you're by yourself, just weasel, slowly but surely pull this puppy out. Slowly but surely pull it out. It will fall on your hands. Do not bend this thing because it will probably break on you. So I got big doofy arms and hands. See that? Let's put it back. I'll show you what I did. So it shows you that I was never here. Put these guys back as well. See? They fit almost perfectly. Gotta make sure this puppy snaps into place. Where you at? This guy. Make sure it snaps into place. I'm gonna show you over here. This is not slapped in all the way. See, it's not slapped in all the way. You're gonna hear it snap. See that? Snapped in all the way. Now, plug this puppy back up. All right. Plug this puppy back up. All right. Let's see, where you at, puppy? Nope, not that one, this one. This is for the headlight. So let's put the headlights back in. Make sure the posts match. Let's keep going. All back. I'm better than ever. All four are back. 12 mil, the 10s, all the 10s, 10, 10, 10. I gotta put these puppies back in over here. This 10 over here, excuse me. That 10 right there. I'm gonna put these guys back, put the bumper back because you're the one who took it off. You're the one who puts it back on. I showed you how to put it back on in the other video, but I'm gonna do it anyway just to get more likes or dislikes, who the hell knows. So let's keep going. See? Told you. I was never here. So, put everything back the way you found it. Snap, snap, snap. Like it, don't like it, don't like it. Share, share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.